Well, it rained some more. Things were pretty wet yesterday. We were able to run though. The trucks weren't getting stuck. We were kind of compacting the field pretty heavy, but it rained throughout the night, a few tenths, and it's been misting all morning, so I don't know. It's not looking good. I highly doubt anything gets harvested today. It's supposed to do this all day, and then I think it's supposed to do this all night, and then the morning tomorrow, so it's not looking good. This is October the 14th. We haven't planted 1 acre of wheat, and that's the first time I can remember it being this late without getting even started yet. So starting to get a little concerned there, but we do have a 7-day dry spell coming up, it looks like, so hopefully we can knock a bunch of that out and get some more corn and beans out of the field. I've got some stuff to do this morning over at the bins, but I don't know what else we're going to do today.
What are you doing, sitting there watching it rain?
Get my camera set up. I got to dump these trucks this morning. The good news is there's no water in the lake right now, so it hasn't rained a whole lot, so I don't go back to that out just yet. I am going to clean up all these fines under the dryer before they get completely soaked and become a mess. People have asked me what I film with. I film with a Canon G7X Mark II, but I also use GoPros, but I do not like them. The only reason I use one is because if I put this Canon camera where I put this GoPro, it'd probably get broke pretty easy. But I've never had good luck with these. Like right now, this camera has been stuck in showing that and stuck on that picture for about an hour now. I don't know why. I don't know what it filmed before it quit working, but it has not worked for a while. Never been a GoPro fan, and this is why. Well, guys, it's lunchtime. I'm super excited. Not because I'm a fat guy and it's lunchtime, but because, unlike the previous couple weeks, lunch is going to be a home-cooked meal. My mother-in-law is having a little family get-together, and with this rain, looks like I'm going to be able to attend, so I'm going to go Hulk smash some chicken and noodles. Just got some new camera mounts yesterday, so I'm playing around with them. They are magnetic, so they should open up a lot of new cool camera possibilities. While it's raining out here, we're getting everything ready to plant wheat in it. While I was eating lunch, Dad seemed to have solved my dilemma with the bar by making a bar. So as long as that don't fall off there, that should work. One of the benefits of having a welder. Not to mention, it's a great camera mount. Hey guys, this farm video is going to be pretty short. There's not much going on today. It's a Sunday, and like I said, we got rained out again. Basically all I did was dump a few trucks and install some wiring into the 1038 Challenger to get it ready for wheat. Tomorrow we will probably be working on the wheat drill and maybe transferring some grain, but that's all we got going on today, so it's a short video. But one thing I have recently done is set up an Amazon link account, or whatever they call it, affiliate account. If you like any of the stuff we're using, like the headset I'm always wearing, which I'm oddly enough not wearing right now, sunglasses, shoes, boots, whatever, I'll put a link in all the descriptions to the videos. If you want to support the channel and you like that stuff, you can buy it through that link, and we will get a certain percentage of the money. Probably not enough to matter, but it is something. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.